In this video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs. This is the homepage of ElevenLabs, where the most authentic and emotionally rich voices are created. Here on the homepage, you'll find a demo of features like Test to Submit and Submit to Test, and the capability to enrich videos through 29 languages and duplicate a voice. You can use this link I'll leave under the video description to access this page. Now I'll sign up for an account to consistently access the homepage. Just click Crazy to register quickly with Google. After registration, you'll see this interface where you now choose a style, set the name, and press Continue. This step can be skipped, then hit Continue again, and OK, that's it. You're now inside ElevenLabs and can proceed. Each month, you'll get 10,000 credits to create voices. Here's the text-to-speech feature, where you can select and listen to voices. Just trust yourself. Here you can view more voices by clicking This is all the voice. Listen to each voice and click on the one you like. For example, I've chosen Rachel here, but I'll switch to Brian. Enter text here to create audio or add another voice if you want two different speakers, like Alice here. I can create two distinct voices in one audio. You can start here where it says Begin. It gives a demo dialogue to test. For instance, this articulated voice used 500 credits. It started at 10,000 and is now down to 9,000. So we've used 365 words. There's also a feature to change the voice. Hey, you just need to upload an audio or video file up to 50 MB. Finish the upload and then choose the voice you want to change to. Simply click Change here and you're set. Or if your voice is muted or there are noises, you can upload a file up to 500 MB in this section. This tool will remove those sounds for you to make your voice clearer. This feature also allows for translating your video's voice into 29 different languages. Just upload your video and it will dub your voice into the language you requested. To clone your voice, go to the Home section, scroll down a bit, and you'll find the voice cloning part. It takes 10 seconds to clone your voice, but you have to upgrade your account. It only takes 10 seconds with your audio, and for a more professional result, you can upload 30 minutes of audio to achieve a standard voice. The link to register for the ElevenLabs experience is in the description and comments below this video. You can scroll down and click the link to register an account and try out ElevenLabs. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below this video and I will respond. your questions.